Welcome to our poultry farm. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how millions of eggs are produced every single day, step by step.
Every day begins with preparation at the source. Nutrition is the foundation of every egg produced. Carefully selected grains begin their journey. Automated systems handle every movement with precision. Storage ensures consistency for large-scale production. Every ingredient is balanced for optimal health.
Sustained nutrition drives continuous egg production.
A controlled environment keeps the cycle moving forward. The journey continues the moment each egg is laid. Streams of production combine into a single flow. Streams of production combine into a single flow. From farm to facility, movement never stops.
Bridging environments ensures continual handling.
Each arrival is prepared for the next stage.
Uniformity is key to efficiency. The system carries everything forward without pause. Preparation leads into purification. Inside, precision defines every movement.
Human oversight guides automated systems.
Every entry point is carefully controlled. The system activates with synchronized precision. Initial cleaning removes surface contaminants. Drying prepares them for precise sorting.
Vertical movement maximizes space and flow. Now, accuracy takes control.
Each egg is analyzed in an instant. Only the strongest pass forward.
Grading ensures consistency across every batch.
Uniform sizing prepares them for packaging.
Automation handles each egg with care.
Final checks refine machine accuracy.
Perfect alignment keeps the flow uninterrupted. Now the core process begins. At the core, systems operate at full scale. Speed increases while precision remains constant. Flow is redirected without interruption. Surface refinement improves presentation. Hidden imperfections are revealed through light. Only flawless products advance. Dreams unite into a refined output. The next stage prepares them for final perfection.
Conditions are stabilized to preserve quality.
Controlled environments maintain product integrity.
Uniform handling ensures consistent results.
A final finish prepares them for automation.
Production accelerates without losing control. Perfect positioning enables precise automation. Machines prepare for synchronized handling. The process transitions into full automation. Automation takes full control of the process. Each movement is calculated to perfection. Production divides while remaining unified. Flow continues without interruption. Accuracy is continuously refined. Spacing ensures flawless handling ahead. Complex systems operate as one. The final stages begin here. Final alignment ensures absolute consistency.
Each product is marked for traceability.
A final touch enhances presentation. Every detail is revealed before approval. Placement is handled with exact precision. Stability protects every product. Accuracy is continuously refined. Stability protects every product. Preparation leads into final enclosure. The product is now fully formed.
Every batch enters final inspection.
Human inspection confirms machine precision.
Measurements are verified to exact standards.
Samples are taken for deeper analysis. Testing ensures safety beyond the surface.
Every detail is verified scientifically.
Only approved products move forward.
The final journey begins.
Finished products move into large-scale storage.
Automation builds stable transport units. Every load is secured for safe delivery. Manual control guides the final movement.
Products are loaded for distribution.
Distribution begins across vast networks. From farm to table, precision drives every step.